Hi guys, greetings of the day. For a long time back, that's we are releasing this video. Actually, today we are just discussing about the sound. In pending or in previous videos, I shared couple of videos about only sounds. So some are the pending. So we would be completing those pending videos in these videos, upcoming videos as well. So today I'm starting about the sound R. It's R sound in English, because in Hindi what happens, like it's a general sound is re, ram, and if if we are speaking English, then the sound must be r, ram. So records, record, red, rabbit. So how we can create, it's all about the articulation, the jaw movement, and tongue articulation and all. So your whenever you are creating the sound and whenever you are speaking this sound, so how you would do that, it's roll your tongue, r, r, and then speak r. So r, records, report, release, rate, write, ringtone. So r sound would be there. So whenever you create, so be focused about your tongue articulation. Roll your tongue and then speak r, r, r. Keep practicing and definitely your sound would be improved. And whenever you speak English, so try this natural sound, which is English near the speaker sound. Thank you.